90% of Forex traders are unprofitable. Not that they don't have strategies, but there is something they are doing wrong, which is keeping them unprofitable. In this video, I'm going to share some of these mistakes and what you must start doing from today to become profitable. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, please like, subscribe and share so that this video could reach other Forex traders who are still struggling in the market on how to become profitable. So let's get down to the business. Number one is backtesting trades. Yes, this sounds very simple, but it is one of the biggest mistakes that many Forex traders make that are keeping them unprofitable. Okay, let me ask you a simple question. How many times have you ever gone back to check the reasons why you lost a trade or the reasons why you won a trade? If I check your answer, it seems like it is no. Yes, that is the reason why many Forex traders are unprofitable. It is always very difficult to go back to a trade that you lost because it reminds you of the money you lost and everything. But let me tell you one good thing about going back to your trade and try to know what really happened. This will help you to build confidence. That is first one. And this will also help you to see what really went on in that particular trade. What really happened? Why did you lose the trade? You understand? By doing this, you understand your mistakes, you understand your state of mind when you enter this trade, you understand possibilities that you would have taken to be in the right part of that trade. This is building confidence, this is learning from your mistakes and knowing how to face your next trade. The next one is winning trades. Okay, many people see winning trades that I'm good at what I'm doing, I don't need to backtest my winning trades. I won the trade and that's all. I will do it again next time. No, you need to go back to your winning trade, see why you won the trade. What was your state of mind when you entered this trade? What would have happened if you didn't trade it this way? And just re-examine how you entered the trade and learn from it. This will help you to improve your trading and help you gain more confidence in trading. So that's why once you start from today to backtest your trades, winning and losing trades, I promise you there will be a lot of changes in how you trade because your eye will open and you understand the market, and this will help you to develop. Number two is that many Forex traders don't learn to improve themselves in the right way. Okay, there is difference between learning to improve yourself and trying to learn more information about many things that doesn't concern you. Okay, so many Forex traders remain unprofitable because they are always looking for a strategy, that golden strategy that will just give them money all the time, a strategy that will change everything overnight. No, you need to master your strategy. You need to have only one strategy and improve yourself in that particular strategy. Once you have a strategy that is working for you, just focus on that strategy, read books, develop yourself in that particular strategy. Don't confuse yourself by jumping from one indicator to another indicator, jumping from one strategy to another strategy, trying to kill your account with confusion. Just focus on one strategy. Improve yourself in that strategy. Read a lot of books. Many traders don't read. Many traders don't do anything to improve themselves. They just want to looking for that miracle, that person that will just tell them, okay, do this and you have a lot of money. It doesn't happen that way. I have been in such situation. I moved around so many times, lost many trades, lost many accounts, and today I had to advise myself and change my pattern, and this is really working for me. So if you want to remain profitable in Forex market, you must concentrate in one strategy. Develop this strategy. Learn to any extent to improve in that particular strategy, not jumping around. If you do this today, I promise you within few months you will see a lot of improvement in your trading. Number three is lack of discipline. Yes, discipline is an important part of Forex trading that can make you remain profitable if you want. In fact, for you to be profitable in Forex market, you must be a disciplined person. Okay, let me ask you a very simple question. How many times do you wait for the market to come to you before you enter a trade? Yeah, because every Forex trader, as I said earlier, when I started this video. Every forex trader has a strategy probably that is working for the person. But the question is, how many times do you stay calm and wait for this strategy to come to you? What I mean strategy coming to you or market coming to you is that sometimes you may see an opportunity, or you enter a market, you see that, oh, there are a lot of things that looks like an opportunity in the market, or the market is trending on all that. But when you look into the market, do you see your strategy? Has your strategy matured? Like, I don't know how I will explain this, but when you enter a market, if you have been in forex market for a while and you are a disciplined person, you will understand what I'm trying to say. Sometimes there is a particular point, a particular time of the day in a session that your strategy always appear. Do you wait? Do you actually have that patience, that discipline of waiting for the market to come down to that particular point or come up to that particular point before you trade? Or are you always carried out by emotions, like, oh, I'm going to miss this opportunity, oh, the market is already moving, I need to join now, maybe I may not catch this trade, or this is the last trade if I don't catch it? Or no, you don't need all those. You need to be very disciplined as a forex trader. This is like a business. You wait for the market to come to you. You don't rush after market. You understand? If you start doing this from today, I promise you your life will change as a forex trader, because I used to be that kind of person. I am always afraid of losing an opportunity. I'm always afraid that, oh, very soon market will leave me. I have a particular time that I always trade in each session, okay? And always I wait for that time to come. But sometimes some of my strategy may mature before that particular time. You understand? And in most cases, when I enter that trade before that particular time, I usually lose the trade, because at that particular time there will be another reaction that will cause me to lose the trade. So I had to develop the discipline of waiting for the market to come to me. I just wait till that particular time that my strategy usually mature, that I usually see what works for me according to my strategy, and I enter the market at that particular time. This is the same thing you need to do as a forex trader. You don't need to rush the market. You don't need to run after the market, chasing the market. Know your strategy. Know the different times in the session, in different sessions that works for you, and wait for the market to come to you. Then you enter the market. I will always tell every forex trader out there, opportunities never finish in forex market. There will always be an opportunity. So you don't need to rush. You don't need to be scared of missing an opportunity. No opportunity in the forex market is bigger than another opportunity. So remain disciplined today, and your life will change as a forex trader. So these are some of the mistakes that many forex traders do. I encourage you, as a young trader, or even someone that had been in the market trading for a very long time but still not profitable, to focus on these three things and try to change some things, adjust some things in your life as a forex trader, and you see a lot of changes. Remain in this channel. I will be bringing you more information about how to improve yourself and develop your psychology in forex trading. See you.